Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Rex here with Carpentry Plus. Wanted to show you guys some of the process that went into building this beautiful table. This table was made with a piece of Acacia Butcherblock with a custom base. First step in building the base was to make the legs. We did a miter fold leg, so we started off by ripping 45-degree miters on all four pieces to make up each leg. Next up, line up your miters. You like to use clear packing tape to tape the pieces together. One of the advantages of the clear packing tape is to be able to see through the tape to see the joint. You have to roll it out to make sure we get good contact. Flip your taped up panel over. Apply plenty of glue. And we'll brush it out to get good even coverage in all the joints. And now we'll fold it up. I'd like to also add that this is where good, accurate cuts are so important. It's hard to pull this off with some crooked boards. All right, so now we're out of clamps. We peeled the tape. We've got some glue to clean up. So we'll sand all those clean, and there's your finished or completed legs. Now we'll move on to the apron. One of the features of the apron is it's got a bull-nosed detail. So we'll do that over at the router table. Cutting a 1/4 inch round over on the top and bottom of some 1 inch wide 1x stock. A couple of them fresh out of the planer there. So we'll cut them to length. And then we'll cut the actual apron piece. Same length. I think I left all these just a hair long, and then we trimmed them up after they were attached. A little sanding before they go together. Now we're ready to attach them. So some glue. We'll put our piece on and attach it with some brads. And there you can see the apron pieces for all four sides. To attach the aprons to the legs, we use the Duo system from Knop Connectors. So you mortise in the end grain of the aprons to attach some hardware, which we'll get to in a moment. Here you can see the mortise. So then you put your hardware in, mark your holes. And then we'll pre-drill. And then we'll install the hardware. More on the hardware in another video. So once the apron hardware is installed, we'll move on to the leg. So the leg hardware just gets surface mounted. Alright, now we're ready to put the table together. So we'll attach our first apron to 2 legs, and we'll just keep working around, tapping the pieces together. Makes a nice rock solid connection. And there you have it, table base. And here we have it in the paint room. This is our first coat of primer. Oh, look at that first coat of paint. Here we have our Acacia Butcherblock top from Hardwood Reflections. And we're applying some wipe-on polyurethane from Minwax. This was the first of, I think, 6 coats we put on this table. Feel like it gives it that nice hand-rubbed look. Alright, we also used some connectors, table connectors, for attaching the aprons to the top. To allow for wood movement. And now we have the top installed. So that's a little bit of our process that went into making this table. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was useful, and thanks for watching.